In this video, we are going to talk about our chosen plaza in Alicante, in neighborhood Polígono de San Blas, more specifically about road Avenida Dr. San Jiménez Díaz. In the context of the plaza, it is possible to address the issue of centrality. In current state, its position is in the middle of four roads and the space doesn't have many uses. People only pass or sometimes spend waiting on the benches, but there is also a problem with rubbish. On the other side of the road, there are located shops, but there isn't useful public space. People are waiting and sitting on the base of the lamps. As you can see on the graphs, its main activities are passing or sitting in the ages middle age or teenagers.
So our concept is based on the creation of three main meeting points, on the movement of the street, and the creation of new pedestrian experience. So to do this, we decide to work, as shown in these diagrams, on the viability, on the quality of the greenery, on the forms of urban facilities, on the creation of new spaces for various age of groups. For most of our choices, we have based ourselves on the sensory quality of the environment. And for this reason, we have decided to insert design elements that make the need for safety and use felt within the space. For our facilities, we decide to use a single design element and then try to modulate it according to the different uses. This means that all these supplies within the boulevard are connected not only by direction but also by composition. The decisions on positioning of these elements was made on basis of various analysis of current land use, study of the uses of the buildings, and also from the accessibilities. The definition of the open space is possible thanks to the dimension of the area that allow greater use from multiple points, and this also allows to the possibility through elements such as mobile chairs or creating spaces that can be customized by the users.
Here you can see our final floor plan. To give the boulevard better use, we divided it to three different zones that provide triangulation. These zones are divided with islands with trees and greenery. Trees are also in one line near the road to create sound barrier. Underneath them is cycling path. The first zone is the eating area located near fast food and supermarkets. This way people can enjoy eating in the open space of our plaza. We also designed the furniture to create dynamic movements in this area. The second zone is the coffee place, located in the middle of the boulevard in the main plaza. People can sit here and watch activities taking place or just take coffee while you're passing by. It is also close to the playground. The third zone is the playground. The multi-purpose playground is a structure that has interactive sound tubes for children to play or can serve as gathering space for teenagers, or people can use it also for working out.
I now want to welcome you through a short walkthrough through our plaza. You now can recognize several elements like the greenery, the benches, and how we wanted to conclude them to a fulfilled project. Here you see one of our biggest zones, the playground, that is surrounded by the wooden elements. Then we come to the plaza that has the kiosk on the one side and movable elements all around the place to be adaptable for any kinds of events. Then through the cold greenery we come to the eating area that is connected to the fast food restaurant to keep it more connected to that commercial center. And in the end we come to the waiting area with a completely new designed bus stop. To end this presentation, we now want to present you what is before and what will be after. Here you can see our major changes like the change of the road and the connection between the shopping center and our boulevard, allowing everything to triangulate. In the last picture here, you see the connection between specifically this shopping center and our new created plaza.